Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, Head Currency Analyst. In this video we're going to talk about the Kiwi dollar trade we posted last night and the potential for this market to jump back down into that 6,740 level before seeing a continuation. Now, on the left hand side we have the dollar index, and if you followed the previous post we talked about the fact that the market is trapped between this 4-hour range or 4-hour wedge pattern at the moment, and we expect price to jump back into $97 to find some kind of resistance for a continued short in line with the seasonal pattern on the US dollar. So what would that mean for the Kiwi dollar price? Now, if the dollar was to increase in value, typically we'd see New Zealand dollar push lower. Hopefully with the dollar at $97, we would see Kiwi dollar back at that 6,740 for a swing trading opportunity. We may not get that. We might have to study the dollar index and see if it produces the bearish price action before, and if the market is kind of still where it is, you may be able to look for a long opportunity from the current levels on Kiwi dollar. But just looking in the history of the dollar index and looking at the Kiwi and looking at them side by side, you can see when the US dollar has bounced significantly, for instance down here, you can see on the chart of Kiwi dollar, we were at that resistance zone and the market fell off significantly there. Here the dollar index looked like it was going to move higher after forming a higher high, came back and retested the previous structure highs, and at that point we saw another sell-off in Kiwi dollar just in there. So you can see the correlation between looking at these two markets together. So what I suggest doing, if you are going to look at trading any of your major currency pairs, just keep an eye on the dollar index, look at the key levels. What do you expect to happen? We are expecting the dollar to move lower, so we are looking for support and resistance levels on our major currency pairs for those moves in line with that bias. Okay, so take a little look at that. I hope it helps with some of your trade ideas. If you're watching on YouTube, please like and subscribe to the channel for more. If you're watching on TradingView, give us a follow, comment. How would you trade Kiwi dollar?